Okay, so today's review for Temu is the 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, portable, mini, home and car. So it's chargeable by a USB-C. There. Comes with a little dust filter. I don't know what that was for a little while, and these things here. So let's see it. So we have used it. The filter's a little bit dirty now. It's quite loud. I'll give you a listen. Okay. This first one, this is a blower. So twist it on. So that'll blow most things around. Right, yeah, let's see if I can blow something around. So, it's pretty powerful. Okay, that's the blower if you got to pump up your airbag. Okay. Now here is the thing. Now, this was $12.49. So, yeah. So I've got a little bit of rice here. So I'm going to see if it picks it up. So, turn it on. All gone, and as you can see, the rice is in there. Also comes with a little brush to do your computer keyboard or to get into those nooks and crannies. So yeah, at $12.49 for this, I think it's alright, you know. I think it's a cool little gadget. Just don't point it at anybody, because if you point it at the police, they'll probably think you're a cop. I mean, you've got a gun. But hey, I think it's an awesome little gadget. So that is the 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, available from Temu for $12.49. Well, that's what I paid for it. So sometimes you've got to flick through Temu and find the better price. Anyway, lag on, thank you, and continue watching. If you haven't follow me. I'm going to continue doing Temu reviews. I've got quite a bit of stuff coming at the moment. So yeah, I've got 3 orders in progress coming. One was due yesterday, but it'll probably get here on Monday. So that'll be an interesting one. Cheers.